Are your Ruby interpreter apps crashing due to the Ruby 250 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before the walkthrough for Ruby 250, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Ruby 250, the Ruby 2.5 interpreter. It provides the unmanaged routines for executing Ruby scripts, managing the data link between source code and the system execution manifest. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of Ruby Interpreter to restore the Ruby 250 DLL library without risking system instability. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Ruby 250, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Ruby 250 DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The official utility referenced below outlines an approach to managing Ruby 250 within a Windows library environment. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Ruby 250 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.